entrepreneurship or anything you start in your life is all about being responsible and being strong on what you're trying to do. So what is this mindset that entrepreneurs should have? Any entrepreneur starting today, what is the mindset he's supposed to have today?
Okay, so this is a very elaborate thing that we need to discuss here, is all about the mindset. Now, mindset is the one which makes a big difference whether you continue to remain as an employee or you do something small or you do something big. Because if you look at, everybody has 24 hours. Okay, and tomorrow, this 24, the time that we are spending today, that will be gone. It will be completely gone. So we just have 24 hours every day. How well we utilize this 24 hours, that depends on the mindset. What do you do exactly during these 24 hours? How are you able to add value to yourself? So some people can just watch TV, and or they can spend unnecessary time spent on social media without adding any value to other people. People can do that also. And there are people who actually see how I can utilize my time for the overall good. How can I be more productive? So when we talk about mindset, it's a complete shift. It's a complete shift in your thought process, because how much you earn today completely depends on your mindset. How you utilize that 24 hours. What do you do during that time? Are you thinking about, yes, that person told something to me and I don't feel good today. Okay, that could be your mindset. Somebody else's mindset could be, I have so much to do. Let me go and help so many people. That is a completely different mindset. So it's all about how well I manage my own thought process so that I can enhance my own value. I will enhance my own value, my own productivity, efficiency, to the extent that because of the value that I am creating, it is actually helping a lot of people, as well as in return, you are also getting a lot of revenue. That is how the mindset have to be looked at. So if I take examples here, now there are two types of mindset actually. We talk about fixed mindset and growth mindset. Okay. So there are two types of mindset. When we talk about fixed mindset, you always think that, I can't do this. No, this is not possible for me. I'm not able to do this. This is not, this common phrase that you would have heard about, this is not my cup of tea. Okay, so that is about the people who are fixed mindset people. They think like that. But when we talk about the growth mindset, they say, how can I do this? In what way I can do this? What is required for me to make it my cup of tea? Do I need to learn? Do I need to, take some coaching from someone? Do I need to enhance my knowledge or skills? Do I need to read books? So that is about growth mindset. So growth mindset people think about possibilities. Okay, so and fixed mindset people, they always think about, what has gone wrong. They connect everything to their past. What has gone wrong? And connecting everything to the past, they say that, okay, probably more things will go wrong today, or more things is going to go wrong in the future. That is what the fixed mindset people do. So what you asked as a question, what is mindset? Mindset is everything that will help you to take you in the path of entrepreneurship, to take you in the journey of huge success. That is all about the mindset. It's a game. Mindset is a game, basically. Okay.
So true.
Now, when we talk about mindset, fixed mindset people, they are only thinkers. I will do this. Now, how many people would have come across who will say that, I want to start something. I want to do something. Someday I will do something. You talk to them after 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, they talk the same language. Yeah. So that is about the fixed mindset people. But when we talk about people with growth mindset, people who want to seize the moment and make the best out of it and create something today who wants to create something today, what they do is they say that, let me start now. Let me start now. Let me start taking the first step. Let me do it today. Let me do it now. That is what. So they are all action oriented, lot more action oriented, And if you want to really make the best use of our time, we have to shift that mindset. It takes time. I know it takes time. It is not easy to shift our mindset to how the most successful people or the entrepreneurs think, because it's all about that. Yeah. So we have to look at how do I change myself into thinking like that. Now, if you notice, some of the people will say, I don't have time. I really don't have time. So these are all the fixed mindset people. They say, time nahi hai mere paas abhi, kuch kar nahi sakte. Right?
Yeah.
But, and the growth mindset people are the people who are entrepreneurs, who are big investors, who are successful leaders. What they say, how can I find more time? How can I find more time? Now, there is a concept called as work expands to fill the time.
Yes.
Okay? Which means if you have only one thing to do, entire day you will do that only.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you have 10 things to do, you will still figure out the right ways and maybe do 2 or 3 more things than what you have been doing earlier.
Yes.
Okay, so that is, I want to do only enough of limitations. That is what fixed mindset people or people who are as an employee, unless they change their mindset to growth mindset, they always think small,
Yes.
Small thinking. Now, growth mindset means, okay, how can I achieve more? How can I do more? How can I add more value to myself? Can I learn something more? So growth mindset people will always think of adding more important activities which will add value to them, add value to the people around them, add value to the society, and focus on enhancing. They're hungry for enhancing their knowledge, skills, and pushing themselves. Basically,
exactly.
They are ready to push themselves. They become their own coach. So it's like, you need somebody to push you, but you need a boss. When the boss says that you have to do this, then that's when you will end up doing it. But people who are having very strong growth mindset people, who are action takers, they challenge themselves. They become their own boss.
Yes.
They say that they become their own coach, and they say, I'm not ready to let go of something.
Exactly.
Now I will take some more examples which will be helpful to you.
Yeah. Okay.
Like suppose you decide to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Okay. Now what will happen is that next day morning you have put alarm for 5 o'clock, and moment it is 5 o'clock, you snooze. You press the snooze.
Yeah.
You press the snooze and say that it's okay to sleep for maybe another 15 minutes or another half an hour. It's okay. Doesn't matter. Actually, from your perspective, probably it does not matter. It doesn't matter. But what is happening in that process is that you have made a decision and you are not living up to that decision. See, if you want to get up at 6 o'clock, you put alarm for 6 o'clock.
Exactly.
But if you want to get up at 5 o'clock, then don't press the snooze button.
Very true.
Right?
Very true.
You have to, you decide. But whatever you decide, you do it.
Yes.
Okay. It's okay if you're not able to get up at 5 o'clock. It's completely fine. You want to get up at 6 o'clock, completely okay. Put the alarm for 6 o'clock and get up at 6 o'clock. Because what happens, people with growth mindset, people who are very successful, what they do is that they make decision and they respect their own decision.
Very true.
It's very important. If you respect your decision, others will start respecting your decisions.